This is the man with 1 fight, 1 defeat. Presenting to you the boxer, Solomon Nettey. The boxer with a weight of 133 pounds, and he's also making his debut today as a professional boxer. Presenting to you the boxer, Asante.
It's center referee Nat Obing.
A very good contest to look out for.
Well, viewers, as we go through this fight, we definitely will be bringing you up to speed as Solomon Nettey. Well, eager beavers now as they go into the flurry of down he goes. That was a big one. And he went down like a bomb.
It is a big punch. Straight right hand.
And he showed a lot of promise. Keeps his guard up. Almost always on the offensive all the time. Well, into the last 10 seconds of the round.
He has a very big jab.
Good exchange of blows. Nettey lands one to the face. Super featherweight contest.
Big right hand from Solomon Nettey. Solid right hand.
So here is the 6th and the last round. Oh, lovely opening there from Nettey.
Not a split decision.
Well, we'll get to the official verdict in a minute. But obviously we're closing out on the end of this bout.
So, by a unanimous point decision, the winner is the boxer, Asante. How do you feel fighting?
Ogun is a good fighter. So he did well.
Well, so what are we looking forward to seeing in you?
I'm just going back to train hard. I'm coming another time. That's all.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh my God.